Today I want some new cultures. This little pond will do great. Everywhere are stinging nettles. Someone likes them. I don't. And I'm not alone at this pond. Hopefully I don't wake it. Nope, it's awake. I'm sorry. Someone's thirsty. This pond seems very nutrition rich. Hopefully there's a lot of light. Whoa, what kind of hell is that? Let's get some samples. Someone's watching. Let's get some more. Let's get home. Bye pony, bye pond. Now we have our samples. I'm going to make a third beacon. And fill everything up. Let it settle for a bit. I made 3 cultures to feed them differently and see how they develop. The first one I just let as it is. The second one I will feed with turnip. Cut into cubes. You don't need to use so much. 2 or 3 are plenty. And the third I will feed with milk. Also, don't use so much. Depending on what you feed, different organisms might bloom. Just let them alone, in the dark if you don't want algae. I will put mine in the light. Now we look a little closer, just to get a comparison. This is solution 1. And there's a little copper pot. Now to the microscope. I want some water samples first. After a little while I found this. It could be a rotifera. Mostly it's just debris. Let's look at some duckweed. This is its top side. Let me turn it around. Just turn around. Okay, and this is its bottom side. You can see its root and a second smaller one. Next, let's look at some sediment. We got some debris. And a twig. Let's get a little closer. There are some hairs. I wonder what they are. And this is an unexpected template. I thought it just was debris. I need to see that closer. They are some kind of plant cells. Now I'm at my highest magnification. While we are so deep in the microcosm, let's look around. Everything looks so huge, but it's just some debris. Now we are back at the twig. These are the hairs we saw before. It resembles a Spirogura, but I think it's too big for an algae. So maybe it's bacteria? I'm not sure. Maybe you have an idea. Some Paramecium just swam by. And a Spirobacterium. Where did it go? Stay here, you little rascal. Okay, I think we ended here. We are deep down in the microcosm. Just to get some relations, let's zoom out.